Imagine a future where you can experience mind-bending speed without sacrificing the planet. Did you know that by October 2025, over 30 new electric hypercar models are slated for release, each promising unprecedented performance? Ever wonder how the world's fastest cars are becoming eco-friendly? This video reveals the groundbreaking innovations allowing electric hypercars to achieve incredible speeds while also being sustainable, showing you how your future driving experiences could look. The audacious shift from gas-guzzling monsters to whisper-quiet rockets. How we got here. Early electric pioneers versus today's 2,000-plus horsepower beasts. The impossible speeds now achievable, and the records being shattered daily. How sustainability isn't a compromise, but a design imperative for hypercars. Innovative battery tech, solid-state, ultra-fast charging, and extended range with less environmental impact. Lightweighting materials and aerodynamic breakthroughs for efficiency, not just speed. A spotlight on specific hypercars pushing the boundaries. Rimac Nevra, Aspark Owl, Pininfarina Battista. The integration of AI and advanced software for optimized performance and driver experience. Autonomous features and their subtle role in future high-performance vehicles. Overcoming charging infrastructure hurdles for widespread hypercar adoption. The ethical implications of extreme speed and accessibility to these vehicles. How luxury and performance brands are adapting their business models for an electric future. A look into the projected timeline for new electric hypercar launches, including concepts revealed for 2027 and beyond. The potential for more affordable electric performance cars trickling down from hypercar tech, making sustainable speed more accessible. A call to action. What excites you most about the future of electric speed and sustainability in the coming decade? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Gearloom Drive for more content on the future of electric vehicles.